Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, hi. I post multiple haul videos, all different stores. I love to shop, find the viral stuff, find the deals, make gift baskets, all that. So if you like that kind of content, if that sounds fun to you, definitely hit the subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. We have so many new finds. I'm super stoked. I really am. And it is so hot. This heat wave can go away at any time. I'm not tired. It makes me tired. My hair's up. I'm in tank tops. This heat wave is horrid. But we're still going to film a haul. So, I'll grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's roll. So, the first thing, everything's fine. First thing we got is I got this jelly pencil pouch. I love these, and not just for pencils, but for like makeup brushes, lipsticks, all that. So, we got this. Then, got the squishy gummy bear pen. I love this. I think it is so adorable. So we have that. Then, I got this little keychain, and it's the one with like the little Game Boy on it. So, I just thought it was cute. So, got that. Then, we got the Orb Mochi's treats, and it's like the half-eaten donut. How fun. So we got that. Then we got the little Game Boy squishy pen. This is my favorite. And then, oh, okay, I guess I got two squishy donuts on accident. Okay then, so we got that. Then, reaching my goodie bag, we got the pack of 2 notebooks. You get the Rhino, and I don't know the other one. I don't have scissors. I want to say no, because we had the pig already. I don't remember, but it says it. Like, it shows it, like, on the box in the store. But if you guys are school supply shopping, let me know if you just do it for fun, or if you're in school, if your kids are in school, whatever. Just let me know. Okay, these are our 2 animals that we get. So, funness. Okay, so next up, we got the lip balm, the 2-pack, and it's the peach strawberry scent. I love this one, so snagged that. Can't find anything. Then we got the camouflage liquid concealer, and this one's in Cool Light. I had the darker shade, and I love the formula of this, so I finally found my shade. So we got that. Then we found some of the teeth whitening stuff. This is the Pearly White Smile Booster Teeth Serum. So we shall see about this. I'm intrigued. Then, speaking of teeth, I got the Gummy Bear toothbrush holder. Like, how funny is this thing? Like, so we got that. Then, I got the little Lego storage container. I love these. These are so fun. So, we got these. Then, my favorite thing that they brought back are these crayon pencil holders. How adorable. So we got pink. We got blue. We got yellow. And green. So these are so fun, literally. I feel like you can put anything in them, not just pencils or whatever. So, then I got the Pearly White Whitening Gel Pen. So, again, we shall see how this collection works. Okay, next up, we got some of the pencil cases. So we got the really pretty one with bows and is it just bows? Bows, cherries, strawberries, all the girly things. So we got that one. Throw that over there. And then we got the gummy bear, candy, all that. Like, I think that one's so fun. So we got that one. Then we got the 6-color pen in the gummy bear one. Then we got the 6-color pen in the little Game Boy. I call it a Game Boy. It's video, whatever, but got that. Then we got the strawberry squishy pen. How fun. Then we got some squishy cases. We have the blue and green one. We have the blue and pink. And pink and orange. Whatever you want to call it, but it's all the colors. And then we got the little 3-pack of notebooks, and it's like heart shapes. It's like those ones, so super fun. Then we got these 2 Crayola pencil boxes. This one says create, they both say create. But I feel like this is so good for storage. So we got those. And then, oh, everything's falling on me. It's a trend. Everything falls on me when I go through stuff. Then I got this, oh my, what is this called? Clipboard. In the Game Over one. This is just great. So, okay, then I got the green toothbrush holder. Don't know why, I think I must have forgot that I got the other one. But I got that. Then I got my favorite peptide lip mask. I love this thing. This is great, 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 great. So I picked up another one. Then we have the Evo Sensitive Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste in Sweet Mint. The toothpaste $1 sale is still going on, so definitely don't forget to get on that deal. Great deal. Then I got the Sheer Nude Hydrating Lip Oil, which again I'm obsessed with. So I saw it, I snagged it because I can never find this. So we got that. And then I got one of each of the little digital pet things. I don't know why. I can't find my old one, so I just grabbed these. So that's that. Then what I'm most excited to show you guys is I finally found the Juicy, can you guys see that? The Juicy Couture headband. I found it at one store, and this is the only thing I found. It's like the really gemmy, cute headband, but Juicy Couture for $1.25. Let's see, actually, I wonder if the old tag's on here. No, it's not. Sometimes they hide, like, the old tag, but they didn't. But yeah, $1.25, Juicy Couture headband. Yes, please. So, definitely pick this up if you guys find it. Then, we have the Leech Hair and Body Mist. This smells so, so good. So, we got that. Then, found my favorite restock. It's the Glow Up Gel Primer Dewy Finish. Straight Elf Tube. I love this primer. Probably my favorite one from DT. So, I got that. Then, by Impress and Wicked for Good, they made lashes. Pre-bond technology, no glue needed. You just press these on and go. Again, $1.25. Are we kidding? So we got these. Sorry, the heat makes me so tired, but I'm not tired. Then we got the False Scare times Wicked for Good, only in theaters. The Bare Essentials kit. So you get lashes, glue, and the tweezers. So $1.25. Yes. So we got that. Then I found the Pro Soap Body 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion in Pistachio. I have the EOS one, and I have this. Literally, to me, they're the exact same. So, definitely a steal. So, we got that. Then, my favorite, this is a restock for my exfoliating lip serum. I'm in love with this one. And the cooling lip serum, which in this weather I need. So got that. Then I got the Squashies Sweet Flavor Swirl Lip Gloss. Which flavor? Raspberries and cream, I think, yeah. So we got that. Then we got some more goodies in here. So I finally found the Amber Glow Style and Hold Styling Mist infused with banana oil. So we got this. I'm super excited to use this. So we shall see. My receipt. Then, oh yeah, I got another pair of these for a gift. Then we got the Crest Pro Health for $1 toothpaste. Can't beat that. I got another one here. Yeah, this is the Deep Clean Colgate. This one. Can you tell we like Colgate? Then we got, this is a gift, but just the bare little toothbrush holder. Then my favorite toy, little Pop It video game. Obsessed. Then we got best restock ever. If you know, you know. We all have seen this. Dandy. Another favorite restock of mine. It really does change your lips. Obsessed. And then we got the Daisy Peppy Peppermint Lip Balm. This is my favorite one besides the raspberry. But for $1.25, yep. Then we got the Pink Lemonade Glossy Contour Kit. I know I picked this up like when it first came out. I was like, you know what? It's time for a restock of this. I love this. It's going in my travel bag. So we got that. Then, okay, we got another toothpaste. Then we got some patches. So this one is Brunch Date. This one is Brunch Club. And this one is just Peachy. So we got our little pimple patches. And then I found this, which it's a bin, but can we see the glitter? Yeah, it's a glitter bin. I'm so excited about this. So, and that is the end of the bags. That's the end of this haul. I found some goodies, makeup, beauty, school supplies, all that. So definitely comment down below your guys' favorite item, what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be looking for. And yeah, definitely thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share the channel. I'll see y'all in the next video.